Hi, I'm Mark. This is how I make Naruto Glowart. First, add layer. Then pick this brush. Color the whole canvas with black. Lower its opacity to 60%. Add another layer, set it to overlay. Lower the opacity to 19%. Let's use this color. Same brush, color the whole canvas. Add layer, set again to overlay. Let's use this color. Select this brush. Color this areas with orange mark. Like this. Make sure you color all areas. Next, pick this color. We will draw dark orange outlines. Draw like this all over the sides. Repeat this in every hair. Also, color the upper eyes. He looks more cool with orange outline. Now, it's time for glow. Add layer, set it to add. Tap this to clip it to the base color. Pick this color. Lower the opacity to 74%. We'll use airbrush normal to make it appear to be glowing. Apply it like this. After that, add another layer. Pick this color. It's time for glowing. Color this areas. We will be glowing the hair, eyes, clothes of Naruto. Please watch closely on how I use airbrush. It's messy right now, but we will erase the excess colors later. Let's glow his eyes too. Now, erase the excess colors. It should look like this. Just erase the excess colors outside his body. Go to Filter tool. Go to Blur. Go to Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to APX. I do this to smoothen the edges of colors I erased. Next, add layer, set it to add. Bring it down here. Pick this color. We will just add a little glows on this areas. Lastly, add an add layer. Use dip pen hard. Pick this color. We will draw nose highlights. Like this. Then, blur the edges. It's done. I hope it helps you. Data bio.